This next game is for Ryan and Colin. Ryan and Colin, come on down here. Hi. What's your name?
Nealey.
What is it? Nealey, come on down here. Nealey, hi, say hi to everybody. Nice to meet you. Step right up there next to my desk, right up there. Hi, what's your name?
Andrea.
What is it? Andrea? Come on down here, Andrea. Step right up here next to Nealey. Andrea, Nealey, right? Now what's going to happen is we're doing a game called Sound Effects, and you guys are going to do the sound effects in this scene for Colin and Ryan. Nealey, you're going to do them for Ryan. He's the tall guy. And Andrea, you're going to do them for Colin. The scene is Ryan is a gallant knight trying to reach Rapunzel, Colin. That's our little joke, because he's bald. In the tallest tower of the witch's castle. He must free her and escape past the witch, the sleeping dragon, and other dangers so they can be wed. Because it's Valentine's, so we're doing like a wedding.
I get it.
Yeah.
Nothing says Valentine's more than a bald damsel.
Yeah.
Hello! Hi, you're not the first one who's been here.
Ah, I would have been quicker, but I thought I had a horse.
Oh.
Oh, here he goes now.
Those are big slippers.
Yes. So people don't hear me coming. I've come to rescue you.
Oh, great.
Not much of a tower.
Well, no. Cutbacks.
Right. Well, I got to tell you, I had a hard time getting here.
Oh, it's very... Listen.
Well, there's a mouse caught underneath.
I know. That's the guard mouse.
Let me whistle for my horse. Try it a little louder. Had some crackers on the way over. Here he comes. Come on, boy.
Clippity-clop, clippity-clop, clippity-clop.
Maybe we should just walk.
We shall walk.
I sure tell you, you must be very careful. There's a sleeping dragon just over there. Listen.
He sounds like he's moving around.
He walks in his sleep.
Don't worry. Hide behind.
Hey, come on.
I'm sorry. Quiet while we pass the dragon.
This is going very well.
Boy, worked out easier than I thought. Oh, he's sleeping.
Oh, no. I think one of his eyes just opened. Nope.
No. All right.
Oh, wait.
Oh.
Oh, he just went... Oh, look how big he is. Oh, good night. You must slay him. They don't
Wasn't
make
that
breath.
tough?
No.
Hey, I'm sticking with this sword.
All right. Look. Oh, nothing.
Trolls! Thousands of them!
We can't keep this up much longer.
I wish my horse would come!
Clippity-clop, 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 clippity-clop.
Two of them!
Oh, hey, look. They're bringing some beer.
Yeah!
Dun, 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 dun.
Thanks, Andrea. Thanks, Nealey. Thank you very much. Got it, Andrea Nealey. Well, happy Valentine's Day to both of you. Keeping with the Valentine's Day theme here at Whose Line Is It Anyway?